fork.
I will not.
Oh.
Oh, you said the I don't be on the show anymore.
No, that's so sad. Now welcome to the show for idiots by a not idiot. Now let's see. This is how you shred. Okay, back to the show. Now this is how. Now, as I was saying, this is how you shred the chicken. Come on over here and see. You just have to hold it here and just pull it away from the.
So where's chicken from,
What? Alright, now, okay, so we've shredded the chicken, and now we need, Hannah, you come.
A piece of shit! You need a piece of shit after your head and a piece of shit up your asshole!
Come on!
I don't want to talk to you. Stupid! Stupid! I have no husband!
And I don't know how to continue. It's a depressing show.
I'm gonna eat the Ben & Jerry's now.
Oh yeah, I need it to continue.
I don't eat Ben & Jerry's anymore.
Okay, I'll just shred the chicken.
And this is the chicken. And this is the chicken.
And you
And this is